Hey, welcome back. EasySEM here. Today I'm going to go over how to create a Google Ads Manager account or MCC account. So the first thing I'm going to do is head over to the Google Ads homepage, and I'll see underneath Advanced Campaigns. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see a menu item called Manager Accounts. So underneath the subsection of Accomplish More with Helpful Tools, you'll see a Manager Accounts. Click Learn More, and then there's a big blue button prompting you to create a manager account. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to bring us to the next step to set up our account. We'll go ahead and give it a test name here. We'll use EasySEM test account. We have an account that we do use for tutorials, so we'll just name it the same as that. And the second menu item is whether I'm going to be managing other people's accounts. Now, if you're an advertising agency, you want to select that. Or if you're maybe in e-commerce with different accounts or different stores that you have accounts for, and you want to roll up and look at all information across the accounts, you'll click Manage, My Accounts. Now, inside EasySEM's test account, you'll see that we have 4 accounts underneath one MCC account. Okay, so this is a completely different account that houses all of our accounts underneath one roof. We're able to modify columns here. You can add in attribution, conversions, etc. if you want to look at performance across all accounts, which we'll do here. As you can see, in the last 7 days across all the accounts, we've had 7 clicks, right? So this is very powerful if you're managing multiple clients again and you want to see how performance is performing from one client to the next. It's also great if you want to use monthly invoicing to pay for your ad accounts. This is the power that MCC level accounts have that normal accounts do not have, and it just allows you to easily create reports as well. Again, a manager account allows you to view all your accounts in one place and manage all your accounts in one place. So I hope that you guys learned something today. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out at easysem.co, and until next time, we'll see you soon.